So we've decided we're gonna stay here for another night.
It's proper snowing!
Hi everyone, welcome to dubventures and welcome to another amazing video where we're parked in an amazing area that we've got snow. It started snowing again. What a beautiful place to wake up to. Now the thing is, if you've seen last week's video, we parked here last night and we woke up and we've got all this snow. Now we don't know if we're staying here or not today, but first of all we need to go for a walk and we need to figure out what it is we're doing today, so let's go. So we've just been talking to a gentleman that works here, because there is like a little area when you come
like
to
a
the car.
reception area.
Yeah, and we've just been having a chat and
It's a bit slick at this bit.
snowing. That's what happens when it's snowing. But he said that there's a waterfall up here, didn't he? So
Well, he said there's lots of different routes that you can do, and he told us there's a waterfall one, and then there's one where that you can see up right over the locks at the back.
yeah, but I think what we're going to do is
Waterfall.
see if we can find a waterfall, so let's go. You know what guys, yesterday we was at Fort William and we was looking for a waterfall. We couldn't find it, so we decided to have a look. Yeah, you keep going. We found this place that was nearby, and look, we stayed here for the night. I think we might be staying here again tonight. Being part of van life, having a camper van, it's woo, nearly. We'll leave that bit in. But do you know, just as I was getting to like the bit that it's like, you know, yeah, it's motivational. But do you know what? Guys, this is what van life is about. So we've decided we're going to stay here for another night because we went for a walk and we sort of like went to like near where the road is, and this car stuck. We've seen reports and like we've been speaking to people and things, it's like cars stuck like on the roads because it's not like a sort of like a popular place this. So we are going to stay here for another night and then check the weather tomorrow. But you know what, I'm happy to stay here for another night because it's amazing here. What an amazing place this is. Just out walking Thor, chilling out for another night here. Been doing a lot of working out for the other trips that we're going on because we've, you know, had a bit of time here today, so I just the views say it all, do you know what I mean? Gonna get Thor to the van and then we're gonna make some food watch some movies, chill out. Love it.
Right, Thor's been out, so get cooking my tea.
I think Brooke's saying it's food time, so let's do this. Morning everyone. It's still snowing. I think today we are going to move because I think the snow's going to get like a lot thicker and everything here today, so if that happens it's going to be really difficult to get out of here. So don't quite know where we're going today yet either, but we've got a bit of an idea. We might be staying at a campsite tonight, but what we're going to do now, we're going to take Thor for a quick walk. Me and Brooke are going to have a quick chat and sort of like see what we're doing. Crazy weather, but do you know what, we love it. But I think it is the right thing to do to move from here because I think the snow could get a lot thicker and the weather is saying it's going to, so
yeah, he said it's going to snow for another couple of days.
Yeah. Now we've been talking about maybe stay at a campsite, but we've just been online, haven't we, to book it, and it says we've got to give a day's notice, so
we're going to try and ring them.
Yeah, we're going to ring them.
Go over to Aviemore.
Yes, that's the one. So, and it's actually snowing over there as well, but we know someone that's over there at the moment as well, so we're going to probably go and meet up with them. So do you know what guys, for now we're going to go and take Thor for a walk in this beautiful area. I mean, it's just amazing. We've had an amazing time here.
Lovely.
But for the next adventure, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one, won't we?
Bye.
Bye for now. Just arrived at the campsite. What an amazing drive that was.
The beach ends and the sea starts, because I kind of feel like we're walking on the water right now.
Only one way to find out. Oh,
yeah.
Did you hear that? Yeah, that's the water. We could actually be on the water here. So as you can see, it's heavy snowfall today again. Woo!